So hello friends, welcome to Bengology, and today we're gonna learn about numbers from 91 to 100. So let's start. So have you remembered about how can we say numbers and number in Bengali? I have taught you many times, and I think you have remembered how can we say numbers in Bengali and number in Bengali. So let me know in the comments, and I am discussing about what is numbers in the Bengali and what is number in the Bengali, but you have to comment it down by pausing this video that what is the meaning of number in Bengali and numbers in Bengali. So after pausing this video, you have to comment it down in the comment section and then play this video and watch what will be the correct answer. So number means সংখ্যা, but I have written, but I have to update this because you know now that for plural we use guli. So now you know that for something which is plural we use guli. So here number means সংখ্যা and numbers means সংখ্যা গুলি. So start the lesson. For our first number is 91. So how can we say 91? So 90 means নব্বই. So now you tell me what 91 will be. If your answer is ekanôbbôi, because 90 means নব্বই, so if your answer is 91 means ekanôbbôi, so you are correct, 100% correct. 91 means ekanôbbôi. So this is 9 and this is 1. So 91 means ekanôbbôi. And what will be 92? So if you are thinking about 81 means একাশি, 82 means বিরাশি, so 92 will be biranôbbôi. If you are thinking about this, so this will be 100% correct. বিরানব্বই means 92. Just like 80 means 80, so বিরাশি means 82, as well as 92 means বিরানব্বই. So 9 and 2. So 92 means biranôbbôi. After 92 we have 93. So how can we say 93? So if you think that 80 means 80, 83 means tiranôbbôi, so 93 will be tiranôbbôi. So 93 will be tiranôbbôi. So this is 9 and this is 3. So 93 means tiranôbbôi. After that we have 94. So if you think 80 means 80, so 84 means চুরাশি. So 84 means চুরাশি. So 94 means চুরানব্বই. So this will be 100% correct. 94 means churanôbbôi. So these are similar to 80 and after 80 numbers. So you can catch the sequence and you can write it as well as you should. So 94 means churanôbbôi. So this is 94 means churanôbbôi. After 94 we have 95. So you will think about, okay, now 80 means 80, 85 means 85, so 95 will be পঁচানব্বই. Okay, so 95 will be পঁচানব্বই. So So 9 and this is 5. 95 will be pônchanôbbôi. And you will now think about 80 means 86. Okay. 86, 18 is 80, 86 means 86. So 80, 96 will be chhiyanôbbôi. Is it correct? What do you think? So 96 will be chhiyanôbbôi. If you are thinking about 80 and 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this will also apply to 90, 91 to 96 also. Okay. So 96 means chhiyanôbbôi. Chhiyanôbbôi. So this is 9 and this is 6. After that we have 97. So now you will think that 80 means 80, 87 means 87. So 97 means sâtanôbbôi. You are questioning me. 97 means sâtanôbbôi. So 97 means sâtanôbbôi properly. So 97 means sâtanôbbôi. Sâtanôbbôi means 97. After that we have 98. So this is more. After 97 you will think that 98. Okay. So our sir said us that this 92, 80 and 90, after 80 and 90 numbers are very similar. So 80 means 80, 88 means ekso. Okay. So 88 means ekso. So 98 will be âtanôbbôi. But this will be incorrect. 98 means âtanôbbôi. Okay. So if you are thinking about this logic that 88 means ekso, so 98 will be âtanôbbôi. So this will be incorrect. Okay. So 98 means âtanôbbôi. âtanôbbôi. So this is 9 and this is 8. So a and then to, then a, to and a, ata and then no, boy, ekso. âtanôbbôi means 98. After 98 we have 99. So you will think now that 89 means ঊননব্বই. So what will be 99? So 99 will be নিরানব্বই. This is an exception because 100 means eksho. So 100. So 100 means eksho. Okay. So 100 means eksho. So now you are thinking that 99 should be uno eksho, but 99 is not uno eksho. This is an exception. We say 99 as niranôbbôi. âtanôbbôi and then 99 is niranôbbôi. First we have to write দন্তন্য হস্যি, and then raw, then a vowel sound. Raw and then a means ra, ni ra, then নব্বই. So 9 and then 9. So নিরানব্বই means 99 and 100 means ekso. Okay. So I am repeating all of these numbers from 91 to 100. So first 91 means ekanôbbôi. 91 means ekanôbbôi. 92 means biranôbbôi. 93 means tiranôbbôi. 94 means churanôbbôi. 95 means pônchanôbbôi. 96 means chhiyanôbbôi. 97 means sâtanôbbôi. 98 means âtanôbbôi, not âtanôbbôi. It will be âtanôbbôi. After 98 we have 99, which is not uno ekso. This will be niranôbbôi. Okay, you have to remember this, that this will be niranôbbôi, and 100 means eksho. Okay,